In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maximum data sharing for your Facebook and Instagram sales channel in Chrome. To get started, open Chrome and head into your store admin area. Once you're signed in, go to the settings section. Inside settings, look for apps and sales channels and click into it. This area is where you manage the tools and channel connections that are linked to your store. So if you've installed Facebook and Instagram for selling and marketing, this is the place you need to be. After that, find your active Facebook and Instagram sales channel and open its dashboard. Make sure you're selecting the active channel because that's the one currently connected to your store and the one where your tracking settings will actually apply. When the dashboard opens, take a moment to let everything load fully so you can see all available options clearly. Next, navigate into the Data Sharing Settings menu. This section controls how customer event information is shared between your store and Meta Technologies. In simple terms, this is the area that affects how well your store can send conversion and event data for things like purchases, add to carts, and other important actions. If you're trying to improve attribution and strengthen tracking reliability, this is an important place to review. Once you're in the data sharing settings, choose the maximum or enhanced tracking option, depending on what is shown in your setup. Selecting this option enables a stronger tracking configuration, including server-side conversions API support. That matters because server-side tracking can help improve data accuracy compared to browser-only tracking, especially in situations where browser limitations, privacy settings, or ad blockers reduce the amount of information being captured. As you make this change, double-check that the correct option is selected before leaving the page. If your interface gives you a save or confirm prompt, make sure the update is applied successfully. It's also a good idea to wait for any confirmation message so you know the setting has been accepted. And that's it. You've now updated your Facebook and Instagram sales channel data sharing setting to use the highest available tracking option. This can help your event reporting become more complete and can support better performance insights for your campaigns. If you're following along in your own store, move carefully through each screen and make sure you're working inside the correct sales channel dashboard before finishing.